Batoning is the technique of cutting or splitting wood by using a baton-sized stick or mallet to repeatedly strike the spine of a sturdy knife, chisel or blade in order to drive it through wood. In this experiment I tried to see with how small of a knife I could get away with and still be successful. I tried to split a piece of dry beechwood with a Swiss Army knife. It was an epic failure. The wood did not split and the knife kept getting stuck in the wood. Luckily the knife was not damaged. I will conduct further experiments in the future to find the limits of what is possible with this technique. Please like, subscribe and hit the bell button for more videos.